The Google Pixel 9 series, including 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL, are the first Pixels. It took 8 generations for them to support connection to the TV. So to connect to the TV, we will need either a HDMI cable, so I have a HDMI cable, we connect one end to the TV, the other end to the phone with an adapter, or if your TV supports it, you can connect your Pixel, you connect one end to the phone, and then you use your USB-C charger, you connect the other end to the TV. But mine doesn't support this, so I'm going to use a adapter, which is USB-C to HDMI. I'll connect the HDMI to the adapter, and then I'll connect the adapter to the phone. And once connected like this, we should have output to the big screen. So you only get this on the Pixel 9 series, so if you're watching on old Pixel, there is no hardware for this, but we see mirror to external display, and we will mirror the display. So immediately works, syncs perfectly. There's a couple of things to note. The first is if you use a USB-C to C cable to your TV, it may not charge the phone. If it does, great. If not, you may want to get one of these adapters instead, because with this adapter, I can connect a charging cable and charge the phone while mirroring to the TV. I can also connect a keyboard and mouse if I want to, but there's no DeX mode like you get on the Samsung. It's just basic mirroring, and the mirroring is really smooth. There's no downsides like Samsung where like caps your refresh rate. So that's great. I hope this video helps.